शुक्रारा वर्ल्ड हार्ट डे दिसा निमतान गोमेकोत खासा कार्यावळ आयोजित केल्ली. बांबोळे गोंय वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालयांत सुपर स्पेशालिटी विभागाची स्थापना करतले म्हण आश्वासन भलायकी मंत्र्यान शुक्रारा केलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
This program was organized by Dr. Shirish Professor and his team, where all the children also who took benefit of Dr. Ravi Agarwal and the whole team of the cardiology in Goa Medical College are present here today. And I'm sure the way, Doctor, you have given this lease of life to these children and a new ray of hope to all these children, I'm sure the association between you and Goa Medical College will increase. And it's so important today to have quality life, to live healthily, and also to have a committed team of doctors. They have been doing a fantastic job as far as Goa Medical College is concerned, and all of you will vouch as the commitment of our doctors from the cardiology section. And it is not easy sometimes to set up such a setup within the government setup. And the type of commitment with certain amount of resources, today we are trying our best to see that we strengthen their hands and take it forward. But I am very happy that they have been doing a great job. They, through their own connections, through their own methods, they have been trying to see that Goa Medical College cardiology setup becomes more strong and is strengthened. And hence, we have this association with Dr. Ravi Agarwal. And the doctors at Goa Medical College, there are a lot of times, a lot of people have different opinions, but I have decided that in these 5 years, that we will be committed and we will ensure that we will strengthen their hands and we will ensure that more resources are put at their disposal. And it's not easy sometimes, sometimes it's very difficult within a government setup to try and do all these things. But commitment to Goa Medical College and ensuring that Goa Medical College moves forward, and so the people of Goa believe more and more in Goa Medical College is our objective.
This day is dedicated to all the parents, children of the parents who have spent their lives the day the child was born and when they realized that the child had a heart problem. It is not easy. I'm sure some of us have gone through some ailments, and when our baby has simple fever, things are very, very tough for us. Since cardiac surgery was established in cardiac unit was established in Goa Medical College in 2014, we have been celebrating World Heart Day on 29th of September. This year we have preponed it for certain logistic reasons, but enthusiasm has remained the same. This year we have chosen today, and with the blessing and good wishes of all of you present here, this becomes an auspicious day. I can say that all we achieve is never an individual accomplishment, but a teamwork. And in this regard, I wish to say in presence of all of you that at cardiac unit in this college, a conscious effort has been made by myself and my colleague Dr. Guruprasad Naik that we work together as one family with mutual respect and affection for each other.